Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back here with Landon. He ran another D1.1 FCAW 3G. The last time he ran a weave, and he got mad because of all you Stringer Mafia comments. So he went back and ran this beautiful Stringer cap on this test plate. We're going to lay this thing out, process it, give it a bend test. I know he's going to pass. Good luck, Landon. All right, so we're back here with Landon. We got his two coupons here. The first one's going to be a face bend. Here we go. Definitely could have cleaned up the sides of those coupons a little bit better, but as you can see, no splits, no breaks, no checks. Very well done on that face bend. Let's get the root bend next. Have at it. Root bend looks phenomenal. Two very good test coupons. Very well done, Landon. Good stringer plate. Way to show them how stringers are done.